Welcome to Best Car Fixes. We have a GMC Yukan 2001. This car here, it look like, you have any idea what engine size is it?
6.0.
Okay, say it again.
6.0.
Okay, this is a big engine. 6.0. If you don't have 6.0, you are not driving any car. Okay.
It will be 23 years I got this.
23 years you have this car. So we have a security issue that we finished with it last time, but we have a small misfire. If you see that the car, even if it's running now, you feel like it's jerking a little bit. So I'm gonna go and do a diagnosis. You say it's 6.0. 6.0 is only one car here. Okay. Okay, under automatic 4-speed. Okay. Okay, hold on, let me see. This is without throttle. So I'm gonna go down, diagnose. I'm using Tech 2. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do diagnosis. DTC information, DTC. Okay, let me see here now. This is a pre-diagnosed to be sure which direction we are heading. It's a P0 O2 sensor. O2 sensor circuit low. One quote. O2 sensor circuit low active. Bank 1. Fuel trim is very high. Engine misfire detected. You have misfire. And then we go back. Knock sensor also. We have a knock sensor. We have knock sensor circuit frequency. Fuel level sensor. That one you have before. You remember the fuel level sensor. Okay. O2 sensor. You need to write the code.
I don't mind. I can.
Okay. P0151.
P0151.
Yeah, and then you have also P0154. Those are O2 sensors, and then you have fuel trim P0174. And then
repeat that third one.
Fuel trim. Fuel trim. Just write down P0174. Even you see, as I'm talking to you, see the phone is shaking.
Oh, okay.
That means the car is not running smooth. Okay, you have P0174. You write it.
Yeah.
P0300. That the misfire detected. Now it
500.
P0300. Now he never tell us like what cylinder is missing. So I'm gonna go. You write those codes.
Yeah, P0300.
Yeah. So you have like yes, four codes. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna leave it like this and go to what they call data display.
Yeah.
And then engine data display. Then I gotta go to misfire display. On the misfire display, okay, you have now it shows us on the bits what engine, what misfire is it. The misfire are in cylinder 4, 5, 6. It doesn't change, but 4 and 5 they misfire a lot.
4 and 5.
Yeah, cylinder number 4 and 5. Come, I show you. If you notice here, you see anyone with no misfire is 0, 0. Those numbers that they change, number 15 and you see it's going up. That's the ratio of the misfire, how far
okay.
is. You see, like number 6, it have a small misfire, but maybe it's affected by the number 5. But you see, like 4 and 5 is missing severe misfire. You see. So your mechanic, I'm taking those pictures. I will upload this to my YouTube channel. It's 5, and I say that 2001 GMC 6.0 liter misfire, random misfire. How to narrow down to which cylinder is misfiring. I'm gonna write down the one. I send you the link, and you take it from there.
Okay. And with the
that one, the fuel pump range sensor. Okay, last time you said the fuel gauge is not working, right?
Yeah,
When is work?
it just when I'm fill up and depending on when I pick up speed, the
Okay, let me see
goes
now.
up.
I'm gonna go to something called cluster and see. Okay, first let me go to data. I want to go to engine data, fuel. Just let me go to fuel trim. If I can get any fuel information or anything. No, this one I don't see nothing. Let me go to cluster maybe. Body. Try to see if I can get fuel sending unit. I see fuel level sensor read is full, like disconnected, so it could be, yeah, here you see it could be when you fill it out it start reading, when it's empty it doesn't read. You change.
If not, if I slow down or I stop at the light, then you see the light shows fuel slow.
Okay, let me see here. Fuel system.
Because I changed that cluster and I thought it was the other cluster that
But
was
it's not the cluster.
But it's not the cluster.
Okay, let me see the fuel gauge now. Okay, it gather things. Okay. Maybe I click something. Fuel gauge, okay. Fuel gauge. Map, injectors, short trim, long trim, ignition 1, command, AC request, high pressure normal, torque, mileage, I don't see anything here, but fuel gauge doesn't give me anything. We already see that like it's not sending. Yeah, like there is nothing there to check. It's supposed to have one place. Okay, here. Look here. Yeah, here you see this is the engine speed. This is the fuel gauge. I commanded 70%, right? Yeah, it's here. Increase 70%. You see they are going, right? Where is the fuel? That's the temperature. Yeah, You see now, half tank, 70%, right? I'm gonna decrease it. When I decrease it, 80%, 40%, 0%. So that means that one is good. The gauge is good, computer is seeing it, so it doesn't see signal from inside the gas tank.
Okay.
So what we need to do is we have to put the car in the lift, drop the gas tank, and look at it from there, change it or whatever it is.
Okay, because the first time I thought it was bad, so I send the fuel gauge back to the company and they send me another one.
What we're gonna do is we have to go. Is that the case? I have to go. We're gonna do the same one. Then I'm gonna look on the wiring. So I have to follow from the wire here. That means right now, I give the command where it gave, and it say okay. So the computer is sending good command, but it doesn't see something from there. Maybe a wire broke, something broke. So we have to go back for it.
Okay, so right now it's back to where it was.
Yeah. I just put it back 0. This is a test. I gotta go out of it.
Because it was
This is a test just to be sure what we have. But the gas, this you can do with all injectors, with all this. So even if I clear all this coat, you know, like we're gonna have the same. So you need to have to deal with cylinder number 5 and 6. What happened to those 2 cylinders? Why they misfire? Is it from internal or just wiring or injector or coil? Then you take it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.